Hi there! BigPicture just released a huge update, and I'm here today to walk you through all the changes, all the functionalities. Whether you are managing agile teams, planning quarterly increments, or juggling resources, this release is packed with everything to make your life easier. Let's dive right in it. We've got 3 new features and 1 key enhancement to cover. My name is Marta and I'm part of Genius Gecko company, a team of PPM project portfolio management professionals with deep experience, and we've already helped over 230 clients, which is quite a big number. So we know what we are doing. We are streamlining their processes and scaling their project portfolio management so that they can enjoy what they are doing. Let's start with the first new feature, Timebox schedules. Are you using the same planning rhythm every cycle, sprints, quarters, program increments? The new Timebox schedule feature helps standardize planning across global teams, meaning you can set time boxes once and reuse the structure repeatedly. So the time schedules will be greatly appreciated by project or program managers planning their PIs, or agile teams working with similar sprints each project. Let's see how they work. You can find them here. You need to go to the app settings, so this wrench key, and here we have Timebox schedules. Let's add a new one. Let's say it's 2025 schedule. You can add a description in here, and you can define Timebox levels. You have 4 of them currently, so year, half year, program increment, and iteration. And yes, you can add multiple iterations. Also, as you can see, there are no quarters or months to be chosen, unfortunately, but don't worry, even though those options are missing from the drop-down here, you can still utilize them. So in case that would be interesting for you, reach out to us and we know how to do it. Let's say I would like to go with year, half year, PI, and start as of May. And there's a catch. Once a Timebox schedule is created, only global teams from the root box can be used. So local teams won't be supported in those boxes anymore. So you can see only my global teams in here on the list. Let's hit create. So it's ready, and by default the tool assumes that PIs take around 2 months. So in case we would like to create another one, by using this plus icon that appears in here, you can see that the schedule is following, so the next possible date is taken, and also there's a number added to its name. So let's create one, and we will have 2 PIs within this half year. In case you would like to be more granular and you would like to add a level, you cannot do it once this schedule is created. But let's say you really need it, so you would like to add a new one. Let's say this is the newest schedule in my case, and I would like to use half year PIs and iterations. Okay, let's create it. And similarly, in case you would like to create another iteration, you can see that the tool assumed that this one is going to take 2 weeks and the next one will be following after the first one is ended. So let's hit create and we will have 2 iterations, 2 weeks per one. Okay, so now you can assign this one to your boxes that you have created, so meaning Jira projects. Where do you see your time boxes in action? Let's go to one of the projects and Gantt module. Currently there are no time boxes visible. You have to enable them, so you should go to this right hand side of the screen and after clicking on those three dots, you can ask the tool to show time boxes on your timeline. Another place, board module. Here, both manually created and created by Timebox schedule boxes are displayed. So if we would go level down from half year to PI and then iterations, I can only see one. So remember to zoom out to see more of those. Similarly, another place is objectives module. Here you can see them on different levels. So again, half year PIs and zooming out to see more iterations that we just created. Now let's talk about tracking time. Easily. Second feature. BigPicture now integrates with 7-Pace time tracker for Jira, a powerful yet intuitive app for logging and analyzing time. So what this tool does, it compares billable hours, for example, per individuals. It uses a calendar view for tracking, and it allows adding fields for people to track exactly what they are doing. Also, for now, you can enjoy a 30-day free trial to see what exactly it offers and decide whether you would like to keep it. So, for example, as in here, you can track time against particular issues, and you can, of course, use a standard time units and also add comments or tell the tool whether those are billable or not. So you can gather more insights. As mentioned, you can use a calendar view, currently visible for you on the screen, and aggregate data on a team level. Third feature, new Swimlane filters in the resources module. It's basically like a more sophisticated, tailor-made filtering within the module, and it's much different from the right-hand side filters. It's nested in here on the left-hand side. So you can now filter each swim lane individually by individuals, teams, projects, skills, workload, and capacity. Why it can be useful, why you should give it a try. Imagine a huge organization where you have thousands of people and you are looking for something in particular. Quite a few times already, resources overload was reported. So what can you do to manage this situation? It's probably a good idea to start with gathering meaningful data, like spotting who is overloaded. So we can tell the tool to look for all the records where workload is greater than 8 hours. Okay, let me remove this capacity. It's possible to filter by this one as well. And what I can see right now, I can see all the records, all the lines where the workload is higher basically than 8 hours, right? So we can see all the red spots in here. Another example, maybe you would like to see similar data within a certain team. You can filter by that as well. So you can choose a team that is interested for you in this case, and then specify workload or capacity. Why it matters, why it's useful? Because this one allows you to zoom in on what matters the most without jumping between reports or modules. You have everything in one place. Also, skills filters are a game changer. Now you can select a skill that you are interested in a given situation, and then you need to see all tasks where this skill is involved. In addition to that, you can hide unassigned swim lanes and hide swim lanes with no tasks. So this one is going to make your view, your outcome much clearer. What it all means is that you don't need to go anywhere or download any report which then needs to be adjusted in Excel like we did some time ago. And simply now you can get what you need, what you're looking for within the resources module in BigPicture. And last but not least, one enhancement, filtering by empty values in the custom filter panel. Meaning that you can filter your results by empty values within assignee field, so you can now choose to show you all the unassigned ones. And then milestones. That's another field that can be filtered by empty values. And then we have also risk consequence and risk probability. Here you can choose the empty value as well. And also any external platform field based on the select data type will be available for you to filter by empty values. Why does it matter? Because now you can instantly spot unassigned tasks or incomplete data without digging too much into details, and you can simply and quickly act on it as soon as possible. To sum up, this release is all about giving you more control, better visibility, smarter automations. If you found this update helpful and this video informative, subscribe to our channel for more similar and also more interesting insights and best practices within PPM, and also give us a like and let us know if it makes sense what we are doing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.